Imagine being able to time travel through space from the comfort of your own house to the limit of the observable cosmos. For the first time, astronomers at Johns Hopkins University have meticulously produced a first-of-its-kind interactive map of the whole universe with pinpoint accuracy and sweeping beauty, allowing viewers to traverse over 200,000 galaxies, the span of the entire known cosmos. The map is essentially a two-dimensional sphere depicting a narrow slice of the cosmos that combines more than 20 years of data to display information previously only available to scientists. It has a thickness of roughly 10 degrees. It depicts a colorful rainbow spectrum of dots indicating the real locations and colors of 200,000 galaxies, each containing billions of stars and planets. The spectrum is so broad that it can be traced back 13.7 billion years to a brilliant line, depicting an actual snapshot of the end of the observable universe, known as the cosmic microwave background. The image represents the first flash of light generated after the Big Bang. The map's data was collected by the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, which employs a telescope in New Mexico to record vast views of the night sky. It took nightly photos in various places for 15 years to get the necessary data. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, may be seen at the very bottom of the chart. If we were looking at the universe from another galaxy, this map might appear similar. Also visible at the top is the initial burst of radiation produced immediately after the Big Bang. The image also nicely depicts the universe's expanding nature, which expands the wavelength of light. Surprisingly, the distant an item is in space, the redder it seems to humans. The map depicts two blue to red redshift sequences, one for galaxies in the lower half and one for quasars in the top half. We are a speck at the very bottom of this map, only 1 pixel. When I say we, I'm referring to our galaxy, the Milky Way, which contains billions of stars and planets. We are accustomed to viewing astronomy images that show one galaxy here, one galaxy there, or even a group of galaxies. However, this map depicts a remarkably different scale. I'll include a link in the description if you want to learn more about this map and experience its beauty. Subscribe for more content like this and hit that bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching.